I'm sure glad those guys figured it all out.
Yes, but we don't have answers to everything. Science is a process. Things will always be changing because people are always discovering new facts about our world. The process used in science is called the scientific method. It is a lot like the process you use when finding an answer to a question. The process begins when you observe something that makes you curious.
Mr. C, that happened to me last night. I turned on the lamp in my bedroom, but the light didn't come on. It made me curious.
That's a perfect example, Dudley. Now, think about what you observed.
Like I said, I was very curious, so I questioned.
What question did you have?
Why didn't the light come on?
Good question. Time to do some research. What makes a lamp work?
A good light bulb.
The cord and plug?
Electricity.
And the on and off switch.
Great! After doing the research, we now have a good guess for what makes a lamp work. This guess is called a hypothesis. A hypothesis must be worded so it can be tested with an experiment. Most of the time, a hypothesis is worded like this. If I do something, then this will happen. In other words, you need to test what you do and what will happen. Let me show you. Here's a testable hypothesis about the lamp. If the light bulb is good, then the lamp will work. The hypothesis is very important. If you can word it as a testable sentence, then you can use the scientific method to find an answer to your question. So, now that we have written a testable sentence, which is a hypothesis, what test or experiment could we do?
Oh, I know, Mr. C. We could get a new light bulb, put it in the lamp, and see if the light comes on.
That's a good test for this hypothesis. If the lamp worked with a new bulb, then the hypothesis was true. If the lamp did not work, then the hypothesis was false, and we must come up with a new hypothesis.
Oh, Mr. C, if the lamp still didn't work, maybe it was because the cord was not plugged in.
Or maybe it was because the electricity was out.
Good. Both of you went back to the research to come up with new ideas. Now you could take that information and make a new hypothesis. Then test it. Well, Dudley, tell us what test you performed on your lamp.
I put a new light bulb in the lamp and turned it on. Then it worked. Eureka!
Hey, that was my hypothesis.
All of you are top-notch thinkers. You came up with a hypothesis, conducted tests with experiments, and analyzed the results. You just used the scientific method. You are natural-born scientists.